Alright, so what we got here is a Lexus NX 350H 2023, and what we've installed is a StarLine M66, a V2 immobilizer and tracking system with phone call notification. So if a thief gets in your vehicle, they do not have these tags with them, they will not be able to start the vehicle because they will not be able to disable the system. So what's going to happen is when they go in the vehicle, trying to force start the vehicle, it will not turn on even if they got your key frequency. What's going to happen is the system's going to call you on your phone to let you know that they tried to start it.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it lets you know they're trying to start the vehicle and they can't start it. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle is you need to have your tag with you. This allows you to turn the system off for you to drive the vehicle, and as you can see it says ready, and there's no dome on the vehicle. Now if the vehicle does get stolen, you can remote immobilize it using this button here, and you can track the vehicle to see where it is. It's got service mode to turn the system off. So if you want the StarLine M66 V2 installed on your Lexus, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.